Welcome back to Droppy, your go-to channel for crypto airdrops and testnet opportunities. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to help grow the channel. To get started with op_net, check the link in the description. Today we've got two important updates for all op_net participants. First, NativeSwap is back online. The maintenance is complete and the platform is now fully operational. You can safely resume listing and swapping your MOTO and PILL tokens. Thanks for your patience and for helping push Bitcoin DeFi forward. Second, referral tasks have been reset. The on-chain tasks on the referral page have been fully refreshed. Your previous points are safe, you're not losing anything. But now, you can complete those tasks again to earn even more rewards. Going forward, referral tasks will reset weekly, with small changes each time to keep things interesting. That means more opportunities to earn, and more ways to stay active in the testnet. So if you haven't already, complete your tasks, stake and swap on MOTO, and keep breaking the testnet. Check the referral link in the description to get started now.